Today you'll take the quiz for Section 3.1 in Social Studies. Be sure to put your name, the date, and the class period at the top of the page. Here's your word bank for the first section, which is fill in the blank. Women, prophets, burgesses, royal, and Croatoan Island. Number 1 for fill in the blank. Although bad weather kept John White from investigating, he thought the Roanoke settlers might have moved to blank. 2. In a joint stock company, investors buy shares or part ownership in the company in the hope of sharing future blank. Number 3. The men of Jamestown elected representatives called blank to enact local laws. Four. When the Virginia Company sent blank to Jamestown, marriage and children became a part of life in Virginia. Number 5. In 1624, King James took control of the Virginia colony from the Virginia Company, making the area a blank colony. The next section is multiple choice. Pick the answer that best completes the statement or answers the question. Number 6. What kept John White from returning to Roanoke for nearly 3 years? Was it A, the collapse of the English economy? B, the defeat of the Spanish Armada? C, because of fighting between England and Spain? Or D, was it because of his poor health? Number 7. Which of the following is an example of a joint stock company? Was it A, the Drake Company? B, the England Company? C, the Roanoke Company? Or D, the Virginia Company? Number 8. The Jamestown colonists called the winter of 1609 to 1610. Did they call that A, the awful time? B, the feasting time? C, the starving time? Or D, the thoughtful time? Number 9. Which crop saved Jamestown by making money for the settlement's investors? Was that crop A, corn? B, rice? C, tobacco? Or D, wheat? Number 10. The first English child born in the American colonies. What was that child's name? A, Virginia Dare? B, Francis Drake? C, John White? Or D, James Yeardley?